I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. If you're new here, be sure to stick around. We always do a music trivia question at the end of the videos on Thursdays. Y'all, I got this going on. You know what that means. We're going to make some banana bread today. The sun is now shining. Mic is on. Camera is on. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to need a big old bowl. I've got 4 bananas that are falling apart on me today. The riper, the better when it comes to banana bread. All of those wonderful sugars are released. We'll use a fork to mash these up. Next, we'll add 1 egg and about a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I'm not going to measure that. Let's mix up those 3 ingredients. And let's get our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We'll set that aside. I'm going to place a 1.5 cups of flour in a separate bowl. Next, we're going to add 3/4 cup sugar. I don't always put nuts in my banana bread, and I'm not going to today. But if you did want them, you could put about a 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or chopped pecans in this dry mixture. Once our dry ingredients are blended, we're going to add that to our wet mixture. Let's get this mixed up. I'm just going to do this by hand. Once that's blended, we're going to add some baking spray to our loaf pan. I'm going to use a glass loaf pan today. We're going to transfer our batter into the loaf pan. This is a very, very thick batter. Don't add any milk or any other liquid ingredients. It's supposed to be this thick. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I let this bake for 60 minutes and it looks and smells incredible. We're going to let this cool down and then we'll give it a taste. Our banana bread smells incredible. It turned out pretty and I can't wait to give it a try. Delicious. There's never any excuse to let those bananas go to waste. This is a really good basic banana bread recipe. If you want to add nuts, you can. Some people even like to jazz it up with a little vanilla or cinnamon. I like my banana bread super basic, so this is perfect for me. I truly hope you have a great rest of the week. Don't forget to tune in on Monday. In the meantime, keep jamming.